Good morning. Say good morning. You know, auntie? Say good morning to the peeps. You know, auntie? Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. This kid's been up since what time? I forgot. But he's been up for a while and he's still not gone back down for a nap yet. And as y'all saw in the previous clip, it don't look like he ready. But yeah. Hi y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, tell them. What I'm supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do? Say if you're new here. Are you new here? Like, share, and subscribe. And if you wanted Mommy's Day ones, welcome back. Yeah. Take your nut to your mouth, man. I'm Natasha. This is the newest member of our family. This is Zane. Yeah. Hola. 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 Run for your lives. Run for your lives. You need to go sleep. And he's gone. Okay, and we're back. We had to take a little intermission because somebody, I won't call no names, had to throw up all over, so they had to get cleaned up. Me too. Smells so good. Yeah, so we're back. It's a little time after. I was thinking to make some juice, like to juice some fruits. So I was thinking, I think I got spinach, kale, I got apples. I want to make green juice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make that. So you guys want to see the process, but hoping this guy will let me make my juice. This thing is creeping me out. His chair is vibrating. But yeah, I want to make some juice, some fresh juice. So that's what I'm going to do. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah. Nothing like freshly squeezed juice. Freshly juiced juice in the morning. Oh my God. This is crisp. So good. Oh yeah. Let's get hubby's reaction. Try. Try it. Just try it, man. I just made it. Crisp, ain't it?
The apple. I think ginger. I think I don't think it's kale. It gotta be spinach.
Both, actually.
Kale and spinach. Oh.
I'm missing. I didn't have any celery, and I didn't have any. What am I missing from it? Yeah, celery. I think that's the only thing I'm missing from it. But yeah, kale, ginger, spinach, green apples, carrots, grapes. Oh, and I'm missing cucumbers. Celery and cucumbers. That's what I'm missing.
And celery has good properties to fight against cancer.
I know, but I don't have celery, so I made what I want.
And obesity.
You finish it? Just finish it, Wallite. Tastes good though, isn't it crisp?
It's only a little, Tosh.
I know, but listen, when you juice it, when I blend it, I can control how much. But when you juice it, it's coming from the actual fruit. This is juices from the actual fruit. When I blend, I usually put a little water in there. This is just pure 100% juice.
You gotta run the trash again. And because the trash has moisture still in it.
The trash has nothing. It's dry. Nothing.
It's like someone sucked out the juice out of the trash.
Yeah, but it's good, right? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Yeah.
As y'all can see, that was his intake. And the thing is, I didn't get a lot. There's a little bit left, but I want to leave some for the girls. I'm going to drink a little bit more. And I'm going to leave some for Layla. Aaliyah don't really like green juice. She likes green smoothie. Layla likes green juice. Yeah, so I'm going to leave some for Layla. They're not awake yet. So, yeah. I can get up and juice every morning. Turn this off. Oh, it's off already. I have to wash that. But yeah, it was so good. The only thing is, you're gonna get enough out of it. This is for Layla. I need to get some more greens. This is the brush to wash the thing. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. I'm gonna finish my green juice. I have to take my vitamins and I have to go pump.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, so I'm back and I'm in the kitchen again. It's lunch, but I'm about to make something quick and easy. I'm making bruschetta. Just my version. I'm using what do you call it? Grape tomatoes, because I always have grape tomatoes on hand. So that's Layla in the background, and Zany Poo's eating. So I am dicing my tomatoes, because bruschetta I use a lot of tomatoes, and I have my French baguette right here. So I'll show y'all that well, you'll see it on the screen, but I'm dicing my tomatoes. So as you can see here, I sliced my baguette into smaller pieces. This is what I got. and I sliced it in smaller pieces. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil. What is that? Some extra virgin olive oil on it and put it in the oven. But I think I'm gonna brush it on. Yeah, I think it's better to brush it on. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have my bowl. I'm going to pour my olive oil. I'm going to add some, I have dried basil leaves. I don't have the fresh ones. So I'm just gonna work with what I got. You okay over there? Dried basil, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, some cilantro. Wanna help? No? What happened?
See, that big basket that has like the medicine there.
Yeah.
Can I put some of my things in there? Because I have less space.
Okay, you can put some stuff in there.
But can I take, wait.
You have to think about it first?
Wait, no. No.
We'll just think about it and come back and tell me. And you mix. Yeah? Well, when you think about it, you can come back and tell me.
Wait, no. I think I kind of, oh yeah. So, I was gonna ask if I can take out the medicine and put them somewhere else.
Medicine cabinet inside the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay. So now that I've mixed my olive oil, my seasoning, my little sauce, I'm just gonna basically just brush it. You just brush this. I might have to do more, but I love bruschetta. You know, fresh herbs, a baguette, all of that good stuff. All right. So now that I did that, I'm gonna put this in the oven for like maybe I don't want them brown, like maybe 2 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna put this in the oven and then I'm gonna make my tomatoes. All right. Okay, y'all, so the bread is finished. Hot. This is what they look like. I don't know if I can see it. So now I'm gonna top it with the tomatoes in the olive oil and stuff, and I'm gonna add avocado to it. So I cannot wait for that because I love me some avocados. All right, so let's do it. Listen, no, but no come for me because I make this whole me want it. You see it? Yeah. The bread them crispy. I didn't even have it in there for that long, but that's what's it called for you? Baguettes for you. I said I was gonna put cheese on it, but I don't want no cheese on it. And I'm gonna put a slither of avocados on it. Just a little bit, you know? Yeah. All right, so here it is, all done. You guys want some?
Yes.
Layla in the back doing her chores. Zany Poo over here having lunch. And yeah, so I'm gonna see if hubby wants one. Where's Aaliyah? It's not all for you now.
No.
Try one. I made bruschetta. Bruschetta.
So it's like a.
I didn't have any
No meat.
No, there's no meat on it. But you were supposed to have, what do you call it again? Basil. I didn't have any fresh basil, but I used the dry ones that I have. Tastes good?
Yeah.
You need fishy. Look like a caveman.
I do need to fix up a little.
Don't worry, I got it all on camera. Y'all heard him say that, right? And I can guarantee you he ain't gonna do it. He's just home. He's comfortable. That's why. Want me to grab a plate so you can take a few more pieces, and then me and the girls will have some. How's it taste? Thumbs up? 10 out of 10. Would you recommend?
Yeah.
Mouthful. Don't waste my tomato. Okay. All right.
I like those.
Yeah, those are nice. You're looking at sneaker. He's a sneakerhead. I actually like those. Those are nice. Those are nice. What are those called? Okay, y'all. So I'm here with this guy. We're sitting down. He's chilling, acting, causing a ruckus. I'm over here on my computer trying to edit. What do you have to say? You have anything to say? Yeah? What do you want to tell him? Say how your day's been. Or what? You gonna shoot me?
What if you miss? Straight wallet and this baby goes up. Already a dead man. Nice to know I won't be leaving this world alone.
Yeah. Kind of dazed for a second. I don't think we're doing anything else. We just chilled today, basically. I don't know how long today's vlog is going to be, but I'm trying to be consistent, y'all. I'm trying to put out content, okay? You right, Papa? Yeah. Yeah. I don't think we're doing anything else, so I'm just gonna edit the vlog, try to get vlog out today, and hang with the fam bam, basically. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end today's vlog right here. Okay? Yeah, I should. Right, Papa? He's just chilling. He's milk wasted, so. But he still won't. Remember from last few clips ago, I was like, I'm trying to put him down for a nap. This man still did not go down for a nap. He dozed off for a little bit, but when I put him in his crib, no. So yeah, hopefully he'll go down for a nap eventually. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Right, Zany Poo? Say bye. Bye.